Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Sunday arrived in Guwahati to take part in the North-Eastern Council. Speaking during the event, Shah reiterated that the people of North-East need not worry as the BJP party shall not tamper with Article 371, which applies to several North-Eastern states. Shah also said that the people of the North-East need not worry about the abrogation of Article 371. At the event, Shah also said that development cannot come at the cost of indigenous people. Titular King of Manipur Laisemba Sanajauba flagged off Thawan Awa Khongchat Lipunwari team from Kangla Gate, Imphal this morning. The Mami Thawan team, comprising of 54 members, is on an 8-day visit to neighboring country Myanmar to share the grief and joy of Manipur diaspora in Myanmar. Children Club Ithing PRDA Bishnupur, in collaboration with Laisaphan and Wat members of Thanga Part 2 Gram Panchayat Wat Number 1, Ithing Laikai, removed plastic waste and cleaned the surrounding areas of Ithing. The cleanliness drive was led by Field Assistant of PRDA Bishnupur Action Aid LRP Project, O Rajo, President of Laisaphan Ithing, KH Surmala, and Wat member M. Kunjabhari. Moirang Kendra Progressive Front organized a pre-quarterly progress review of self-help groups of Phubala Gram Panchayat at Phubala Loktak Maru. Addressing the gathering, social worker Thongam Shanti Singh said that the disappointment and frustration are the main factors among youngsters which encourage them in drug abuse. In its journey to find out what went wrong with the Bikram lander at an altitude of 2.1 km from the lunar surface, ISRO has been able to find the location of the Bikram lander. This they accomplished with the help of the orbiter that used one of its payload to click a thermal image of the lander on the surface of the moon. The Supreme Court has sought a reply from the central government based on a petition filed by the Association of Healthcare Providers India that demanded measures to ensure the protection of medical professionals. The petitioner also sought amendment of law to protect the doctors against any violence in hospital, medical facilities and clinics. Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West District organized a one-day awareness program on how to give first aid and CPR during emergencies at Chief Minister's Secretariat Complex, Babupara today. During the program, all the escort personnel of Chief Minister and PSOs were given training on how to give first aid and CPR. The construction of a retaining wall of Thaudem Pukri at Harauro Part 1 Maninglaikai has begun under the supervision of Pradhan Laisangthem Kulachandra of Harauro Gram Panchayat. Expressing his appreciation, President of Thaudem Pukri Committee, Thaudem Okendra, lauded the efforts of Pradhan Kulachandra. Okendra said that the pond is the lifeline of around 50 households in the area. A 3-day management development program for the Board of Directors of Primary Agricultural Credit Cooperation Societies have kicked off today at the Institute of Cooperative Management (ICM). A one-day free health medical checkup camp was organized by Vishnupur Municipal Council and Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Urban Livelihoods Mission, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of Manipur at Kiamba Ningsing Sanglen, Vishnupur. The Asem Arun Kumar Memorial University Inter-College Table Tennis Tournament 2019-20, organized by Royal Academy of Law Oinam, concluded at the Indoor Hall of Royal Academy today. Former Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor N. Mohendro, former Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor N. Mohendra, Secretary O. Ibochauba Khuman, and Principal of Royal Academy of Law I. Jugeshwar attended the closing event. A one-day workshop and presentation on government policies and initiatives was organized for the stakeholder of micro, small and medium enterprises at Classic Grand, Chingmairong, Imphal today. The program was held with the main objective to provide the knowledge of Technology Center Systems program and to understand the needs, challenges and expectations from the Technology Center. The event was prioritized in the area of interventions in formulating an action plan and competitiveness of the MSME in Manipur. The event was organized by Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises under Government of Manipur.